80 golf events throughout the world.
To discuss matters of peace more comprehensively, you need to be on a larger platform, essentially. This may not be the best place to address issues of peace, but in regards to how tourism sees things, is that we start by creating opportunities. And we start by talking to the world outside, and also you have to have strategies in place, because God willing, this will be a wonderful year, but things could go wrong, as they often do. And so I think the need is to strategize and also make these partnerships more tangible, and create associations that are specific with people, and create strategies that are public relations driven, and that are also specific and have a certain aim and goal and creative objective in mind. So I think, having said that, I think this is one way to lead to peace. When you have events like this, when you have people from outside visiting, this is in a way endeavor to see that through in some ways. You know, we on our part are trying to do reimagining exercises, trying to think of a workforce that is driven by conservation. Now the reason I say that is that you have to create alternate stories, and a civil society is very, very responsible to do that, even press. Because unless you don't create points of focus elsewhere that are driven and that are energy giving, this problem will persist. And if we go on screaming on national media to say, I mean, if that's a strategy what we want to take, that's only going to go so far. So the idea is to create positive stories amongst ourselves and really talk about those as much as we can. It is as big as an event, and if it is followed through with in a formalized, strong way, with a plan, with a definite plan, I think things should look up. I think when you talk about border areas, it's more of a human question as well, because when you go around the periphery, you see families living on either side of the line of control, and those questions are more human as well. And I think, of course, tourism should prosper everywhere. That goes without saying. But these issues should be addressed more comprehensively as well.